We're all set to do Clifford Byway today, but we've had an issue, yet another issue, with the BMW G450. And what's happened is, I noticed on the way back last night that it was making more noise than it should have been. And what's happened is this bracket has sheared off. And it's broken the weld on the top of that, so we've had to big shout out to the Texaco garage at Raider. Just popped in there, and this guy actually cut us this plate and drilled us an 8mm hole in it, so big shout out to him. And then we've just fettled it, so we've put some like little retainy bend up tabs on there and on there just to keep these hose clamps on, and really that's about all we can do. I think we probably need to get some drinks can and probably try and at least cover that up, because that's blasting straight up at my rear shock absorber. So and that's quite big, so you're probably going to get quite a lot of heat coming out of that. So yeah, just one of them little things you have to do to keep it going. It's Friday today, Saturday, Sunday, so we've at least got some ride and do tomorrow, so it's only got to last potentially today and tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. We'll check up on it on our ride up over Clifford Byway. Right, so we've effected the repair. This is the finished repair, so we've got the cable clamp round there. We had to cover up the hole because it was blowing. I didn't like it blowing near my monoshock at the back. I didn't want like hot gases. I mean, if you're after a while, it's going to heat it up, so it wouldn't do it any good. But that's a finished repair, so we're back on there, and I must say it is rock solid. The motorbike now is actually quieter than the day we got here, so that had obviously started to crack a couple of weeks before we even set off to Wales. Right, next stop, Clifford Byway.